Okay, in this activity, we are going to create a linear equation that has to do with you. Okay, we want to do some math, but we also want to learn a little bit about you, like something that you enjoy doing in your spare time, or just something you're interested in. So think of something you do fairly regularly that you would like to share with the class. Okay, I want your classmates to learn a little bit more about you. Okay, guys, this could be anything that's school appropriate that kind of has to do with you. Here's some examples. I have 2 basketball practices every week. And go ahead and stick the 1 in if it's every week, every day. Okay, stick the 1 in. I practice basketball 4 hours every 3 days. Okay, so it could be a different kind of time period. I brush my teeth 4 times every 1 day. I play video games 2 hours every 1 day. I read 1 book every 1 week. Okay, so just something that applies to you, something that you enjoy doing. This is supposed to be fun. Okay, we're supposed to be having a little fun with this, but we're also doing some math. Okay, you're going to be fudging with the data. Okay, I don't think anyone is going to play exactly 2 hours of piano every day. Okay, but just make it close. It's just we're just fudging with the data. Okay, now after you do that, make up a starting amount. Okay, come up with an amount that is not 0. Okay, if the starting amount is 0, it's proportional, which is still a linear relationship, but I want to try to get away from the proportional ones. So try to get a different starting amount, and then put your 2 ideas together. Okay, there's some examples. So if you play basketball, if you have 2 practices every 1 week, maybe a good starting amount would be I've already had 4 basketball practices, and from now on, I will have an additional 2 practices every 1 week. Or I have already sent 100 texts this week, and from there on, I'm going to send an extra 20 texts every hour. Okay, so just try to have a starting amount that's not 0 and kind of tack it on. And we're fudging there too. Okay, this is just something that kind of makes sense for your particular relationship that you're going to share.